Cuba De Niro. Hit everything in the tri-barrel. And I'm the newest member of the bad boy team. And I'ma bring this nigga Puff mad more cream. With hooks galore, leave the city shook for sure. And I'ma take him back where Biggie took him before. You stay a player since you can't stare with the Pope. And stick to what you do best, stick to wearing coke. You looking for excuses, ways to say you broke. Can't keep a whip cause you can't pay the note. Fuck the side, I'm wavy on top, Mercedes drop. Black V80's cocked to the day I get knocked. All I ask when I die, dress me fly neatly and brush my way so I'm handsome when the bitches greet me. Word from the wise, niggas jerk pies, we hurt them guys. Bust lead to skin they head and leave them circumcised. So how you wanna settle this? Rapping or some ghetto shit? We could do it your way with mics over metal
shit. Niggas wanna shout, I'ma make noise. Niggas when they mouth, I'ma break jaws. Nations coming out, we gon' take yours. Whole world uptown, baby, we make wars. Niggas wanna shout, I'ma make noise. Niggas when they mouth, I'ma break jaws. Nations coming out, we gon' take yours. Whole world uptown, baby, we make wars.
Yeah, yo, before it's all over, a lot of blood gon' be spilled.